Hi, this is Jins. Let us do the hands-on review of Xiaomi's latest smart band Mi HRX. Mi HRX is compatible with all Android phones running version 4.4 and above and Bluetooth version 4.0. It is also compatible with iPhones running iOS 7.0 and later versions. Let us open and see what is inside. Inside the box, we have the display, the wristband, the user manual, and the USB charging cable. So let us assemble this.
The Mi HRX Band has a 0.42 inches OLED display and a touch button. It displays time, steps, and calories. The band is made up of thermoplastic elastomer, which makes it smooth and comfortable even for people with sensitive skin. The band weighs just 7 grams and its length is adjustable from 155 mm to 210 mm. For charging, we need to take out the display and connect it to the USB charging cable. Mi HRX is powered by a 70 mAh lithium polymer battery which lasts up to 23 days. The band is IP67 resistant to water and dust. The only feature that is missing in this band is a heart rate sensor.